Once upon a time, in the bustling world of Racecar Land, lived a shiny, red race car named Lightning McQueen. Lightning was known for his speed and determination, but he was also known for being a bit too competitive. One day, a new, young race car named Cruz Ramirez arrived in Racecar Land. Cruz was shy and nervous, but she had a kind heart and a burning passion for racing. Lightning, with his usual bravado, didn't pay much attention to Cruz at first. But when Cruz asked him to mentor her, Lightning saw an opportunity to show off his racing skills. Lightning agreed to help Cruz, but his competitive nature made it difficult for him to slow down and teach. Cruz struggled to keep up, and soon became discouraged. One day, Lightning realized that he had been focusing too much on winning and not enough on helping Cruz. He apologized and promised to be a better mentor. Cruz accepted his apology and the two became friends. Together, they trained hard, and Cruz began to improve. Lightning learned that winning wasn't everything, and that being a true friend meant helping others succeed. On the day of the big race, Lightning and Cruz faced off against each other. Cruz crossed the finish line first, and Lightning cheered for her with all his might. Cruz turned to Lightning and said, "I couldn't have done it without you." Lightning smiled, feeling proud of his friend and realizing that winning didn't matter as much as helping Cruz find her inner speed. From that day on, Lightning McQueen became known as a friendly racer, always ready to lend a hand to those in need. And Cruz Ramirez became a great racer, thanks to the guidance of her friend Lightning McQueen. The end.